This is the hands-on you've all been waiting for. The throwback to the iPhone 5C. I mean, the more colorful version of the iPhone XS. This is the iPhone XR. We're currently on our way to find the Apple section of Best Buy. This is the Apple HomePod, but what we're really here to see is this, the iPhone XR. Fits in your hand really nicely. It's practically the exact same size as an iPhone X. That is the iPhone X, and that's the XR. They're pretty similar in size. They're basically in between. That's the XS, and that's the XS Max. So let's take a look at the iPhone XR. Now the first thing about the iPhone XR that you're going to notice is it has an LCD screen, so it's not going to look fantastic from every angle like the OLED screen on iPhone X and iPhone XS. People say that the iPhone XR's display is horrible because of the resolution, which is 1792 by 828. That's not very high. It is less than 1080p, but the question is, have you actually seen it for yourself? If you haven't, then you should probably take a look at one, because the iPhone XR's display looks absolutely fantastic, regardless of its low resolution. The camera on iPhone XR is a single lens setup, and what's interesting about this is it actually has portrait mode, but it works with a single lens. So here we have portrait mode on the back lens, and this actually uses computational photography. So you're going to need to find a person in order to take a photo with portrait mode on the single lens, as it will not work with objects. It has to be a person. They're not going to be able to take portrait photos of objects, such as that iPhone X right there. Now let's test out the Face ID. Alright, let's see how fast Face ID is.
And, you know, let's try that again. Ho ho ho!
No, it's probably because my camera's in the way, but let's see. Just like that. Practically the same as iPhone XS and XS Max. So it's basically showering my face with small infrared dots, but my camera is an infrared filter, so you cannot see those. But if I turn on my selfie camera, you can see the infrared on it, and it looks pretty interesting. As you can see, those are the infrared dots coming off of the TrueDepth camera system in portrait mode. Yes, these displays do not have 3D touch. 3D touch on these displays is replaced by what Apple calls haptic touch. Basically what haptic touch does is gives you that same short vibration that other iPhones do when you use 3D touch, except you no longer have to apply force to the screen. You simply just long press on a haptic touch toggle, such as that flashlight option or the camera option. Now the iPhone XR is not easy to use in one hand, but it is quite nice. It fits nice in your hand, but it's not easy to use with one hand, so you're going to have to use two hands for this device. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you really enjoyed it, then subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you all for watching, have a nice day, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.